everyone, it's Rachel Willow here. I just wanted to hop on and talk to you about how I make my reusable cleaning wipes. So what I have gone ahead and already purchased are these slightly more durable cleaning wipes that can be rinsed in the sink and air dried once they're done being used. And I went with white, which I know will get dirtier than a darker color, but I didn't want additional color dyes and things like that to go into our cleaning products. So went with white. I've also already gone ahead and purchased these reusable plastic containers. Obviously you can get larger ones or glass. I was worried with the glass though that it would be more likely to break, so I did not purchase those. Already in this container is 2 cups of water, 2 capfuls of Thieves from Young Living, and 3 drops of orange, Northern Lights black spruce, and some cinnamon, which smells amazing, and I just have given it a little spin. Then what I'll do is I will take my cloth and fold it up, put it in the container, and as I keep going, the liquid will be absorbed. So as you can see here, in this one that I've already done, I'm able to fit about 12 cloths in here, and there's still some liquid on the bottom. So before I'll go and grab my top one, I'll just give it a little spin over, make sure that the liquid is able to get on the first one, and I'm ready to go. Have a great day, and let me know if you have any questions or comments below.